Look at me. Wow, I'm really back. Okay. Hi, guys. Hi, 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 hi. Ooh, I don't know where to place my hands anymore. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. And if you guys are new, welcome. Hi. It's been about maybe 4 or 5 months since I posted. I really hope the audio is okay. There's a lot of things going on around me, so this is the best audio I thought I could come up with. So I'm gonna be getting a new mic and other things really soon, so if this is trash, then it won't be trash for long. Life, trying to be adult, trying to be professional. So yeah, today is just gonna be like really chill, get ready with me, have a couple family functions that I'm getting ready for, and I finally have the time, the space, half of the equipment to go ahead and start filming again. So it feels like really, really good to be back in front of the camera, back with you guys. And yeah, so I'll list everything that I'm using down below. I'm probably not gonna be too focused on what I'm using. I'm just gonna, tell y'all what's been happening basically this past year. Where have I been, what I've been up to, all that kind of jazz. So where's my face primer? I hope you guys really can't hear like what's happening, because there's people moving, my neighbors are a little loud, so hopefully once I get my mic in, everything will be okay. But I do not have a mirror in front of me, oh my gosh. But first things first, if you guys didn't know, I was originally living in Beaumont. Now I'm in Houston. I've been in Houston for about a year-ish. So when we moved to Houston, me and my husband, we were looking for a house, saving money. So where we were staying, we didn't have the area, or I didn't have the space to film and set up the studio and do what I really wanted to do. And I tried to do a couple videos, but they were just like subpar, and I just feel like I was just putting out any old type of thing, and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, all of that to say, welcome to my new house. Your girl is a homeowner. Like, what is this life? Your girl is in more debt, so got a little anxiety because all the responsibilities of being, an actual homeowner is like, setting in. So luckily I don't have to like go outside and cut any grass or things like that, because your girl is sickly and she's allergic to basically almost everything outside, including the grass. So that's where my good old husband comes in, and he'll be doing all the land and yard work. But so exciting. If you guys want, I don't know if you guys care about a house tour or anything like that. It'll probably be like really later, because we plan on doing some renovations and upgrading some things, putting down some hardwood, and redoing some of our kitchen. Some of our kitchen. And what else are we planning on doing? Oh, and repainting, because the colors on this wall is not the business, and I hate all of the wall colors. So, and this is a lot of house to paint. So I'm kind of weary about that, because we're gonna try to do all the painting ourselves. But it could either go one or two ways. It could either go like amazing or terrible, and we have to have somebody come in and do it. So it's not life or death. So I need to stop being so anxious about it. But yeah, I have been planning like so many videos since I've been away. I want to be more creative and just do more things with different kind of looks. Try to push myself out of my comfort zone and still stay within like budget friendly makeup and tutorials, things like that. So nothing's changing. I'm just getting, back in the groove, finding what works, what don't work. And I'm going to be playing with my background because I don't know if I just like the fabric. So yeah, we're just going to be playing in my new space. Like, I'm super excited, super excited. Let me know down below if any of you guys are actually buying a house or looking into buying a house. Maybe me and Billy will jump on our couples channel, which is Traveling Rings. I'll have it linked down below, and maybe we'll give you guys like a couple of tips or more so things that we've learned when we were buying a house. And it's different each market is different, so it just depends on where you live. But definitely for Houston, when I tell you I got like all kinds of anxiety and stress and worry, but I'm the worry person. I always worry. There's not a time where I haven't worried. So it's what I do. I worry. And I know I need to stop that. All right, I'm gonna let that sit. I've been liking my makeup combo lately though. It's been very natural, very, my skin, but better. That's going to be another video I'm going to be doing in the future. It's just like a makeup update, like my skin routine or a foundation update. But yeah. Ooh, look, she has brows now. So I've really been into like not concealing my brows lately. I just like the kind of not messy, but messy or like unconcealed brow look. I think it fits me. Or maybe I'm lazy. Who knows? I mean, I know I'm talking about my house a lot, but some of the things or some of the challenges that we kind of faced buying the house, the market goes really fast. Like, for the area that we wanted to be in, the specific side of town, like, people were on it. And it's like, for Houston, there is, of course, a lot of people. I forgot my chin. There's a lot of people buying, but there's also like a crap toad of investors. So it's like almost every house that we put a bid on, like, we had to make sure that our bid was the most attractive bid, and we were beating out investors as well. So that was really frustrating when our realtor came back and was like, yeah, you didn't get the house, and then we find out that an investor just got it. But I really learned to just not stress, and basically whatever will be, and I shouldn't worry about it. But that's something I'm working on, because that's just been me for forever. I've always been the person that worries about everything and like thinking like, okay, we did this, maybe we could have did it that way or this way better, or how could we done it better? What, the shoulda, coulda, wouldas, and that really doesn't matter after, the fact. But I really hone in on like, dang, this could have been better. We could have did this differently, and just thinking about possible or other outcomes. And that just caused me a lot of unnecessary stress and anxiety. But, I'm working on that. So That's all I can do, right? Is work on it. Ooh, it just feels good to put on makeup. I haven't put on makeup in a while. Whoops. Okay. So, I'm probably going to do something really soft on my eyes. I'm not going to do anything too drastic. I'm going to use the, you probably can't see it, the Brown Sugar palette by Karrueche. And I did a palette review. I'll have it linked. The only thing I kind of don't like about this palette is like, and I've seen other people, influencers or YouTubers have this little issue as well. I guess, well, yeah, these are like little, what do you call these? Pans? Oh no, there we go. These are like little pans and they come out really easily. And I don't mind it being pans and coming out, because then we can use the palette for other things and, you know, more storage or whatever. I just don't want it to come out, you know, when I open it. That could be kind of problematic. So with me coming back to my channel and getting back in the groove of things, I've been thinking about my upload schedule, and it's probably just going to be for now once a week. I know I used to do twice a week, but I just really want to make sure I'm doing quality over quantity, because I'm not just going to be throwing up any old type of thing. So for now, I'm just going to be uploading once a week every Thursday at 3 p.m. What is Texas in? Central Standard Time? Yeah. So 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we're just going to see how it goes from there. But yeah. And then this summer, we're going to be doing a lot of traveling, me and Billy. So if you are not subscribed to our travel account, which is Traveling Rings, like I said, I'll have it listed down below. But it's like our travel / couples, what do you call that, YouTube account. So we'll be doing other things on the account than just traveling. Oh, I recently got these brushes from, what is it? It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics. Like, I've needed some new brushes. The brushes I've you know, have been my ride or die are from BH Cosmetics, and I have like a few brushes from Morphe and a few brushes from e.l.f. But mostly all of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. And yeah, they're they're old. It's time for me to like start replacing them. And I think these brushes from It's My Ray Ray, the collab, is really, really good. I'm like super impressed with them. But BH Cosmetics, they always have like good brushes as well. So I wasn't expecting anything less. So that is it. I finished my look and I am done and complete. I'm just saying the same thing over and over again. Okay. And like I said, I am back. So be expecting videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. I hope you guys like this video. Let's chat down in the description down. Let's chat down in the comments down below. Let's talk about what we are looking forward to this summer. For me, it's all of my traveling for my birthday and my anniversary. Tell me what you guys are looking forward to this summer, so you know I can live vicariously through you guys as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.